and I got this, I cut the pipes off so it's all loud.
I see a vision of a great rucksack revolution. Thousands or even millions of young Americans walking around with rucksacks, going up to mountains to pray, making children laugh and old men glad, making young girls happy and old girls happier. All of them Zen lunatics who go about writing poems that happen to appear in their heads for no reason. And also by being kind, and also by strange, unexpected acts. Keep giving visions of eternal freedom to everybody and to all living creatures. Jack Kerouac, Dharma Bums. I named this ride a most sincere ride, mainly because everyone that I ever meet in Ralston is just sincere. Everything about them. When they talk of their motorcycles, they're being sincere. They're not bragging. They're not showing off. They're just genuinely excited and stoked about what they've done to their motorcycles. And that's what motorcycling is. Because when it comes down to it, it has to be honest. Think about this. You're sitting on this vehicle, 2 tires, a tank full of gasoline, a combustible engine. If you're not honest, you can die. That's real talk. That's something to think about when you're doing this. And if you can take that value, that system, and apply it to how you are when you're around other people, you're doing more than just motorcycling. You're living real. You're living true. And it's through this beast of a bike that we've created.
He'll be here.
And when it comes to motorcycling, this passion we have, this deal that we do, I don't even care what you ride. If you're on 2 and you're out there getting it, I support you, and I think it's rad. And that's where the Ralston fellers come in. These guys are just in it for the ride. They're in it for the bikes, the conversation. Dare I say brotherhood? So I'm not really trying to hype them too much, but I'm going to let you know, Ralston, Oklahoma, and the guys that are riding their motorcycles around there, something to check out. Now, in saying that, this is going on all over America. Little towns, regular fellas, meeting up, building bikes, working on bikes, riding roads together on their bikes. And that's freaking cool. Hope you like the video.